Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'm going to show you a really simple single loop scarf. So that's a loop scarf that goes just once around your neck and already looks great. And yeah, you see here the lovely color gradient as well as a really easy pattern that I'm going to show you. It's just out of singles and trebles. So if you'd like to learn how you can do this all by yourself, then stay tuned. So here is my spool. I have a special edition here from Palazzo Color. It's one spool, one scarf this time, and we have 100 grams here and 180 centimeters of length. It's for a 7mm needle, but I'll be using my 6mm one. And let's see here, it's 60% virgin wool, 40% acrylic. Lovely. So let's get started. Here is my beginning thread, a lovely color here. So let's start by doing an even number of chains. So this is a bit too short. I think I'll do about 20 total. Looks good. So now let's take another chain for the height so that we can start our next row. And I'll go back starting with a single. Then a treble. And again a single. For the treble, we take the yarn over, we go through to get 3 loops on the needle, then through 2 and again through 2 loops. And afterwards we again do a single. So we keep changing that way until we get to the end of the row. Okay, so now that we did the first row like this, I ended with a treble, and I can now take a chain for the height and turn, and then we can start again. First stitch gets a single, then we do a treble. And we again keep changing those two. So the treble from the last row gets a single this time, so that's how we have a nice straight side on each side. So that's how we get the effect. Make sure you turn with a chain, start with a single, and always end with a treble. So that way you can also check if it doesn't fit, it means you made a mistake and you can easily fix it. So anyway, I'll work this a bit more and then I'll show you what I have after a while. So see you in a bit. So you can see the lovely pattern here. The trebles and singles make a really nice visual effect, and I can definitely confirm that it's fluffy and cozy. I love the colors too, so you see the color gradient already that keeps changing and really nicely developing. So we had a little bit of green here and now the orange, and now we just have a whole lot more to do, and when I finish that, I'll be back to show you what I have left. Okay, so let's see how long it is. So 36 centimeters we have. I doubled it on here. So we're doing a single loop this time, which means that we need to connect the two ends in order for it to be a loop. And yeah, the texture is lovely. It's super fluffy as well, which is always great. Yeah, let's get back to our last stitch here. Okay, here we are. We go through the one side and then through the other, and we pull the thread through. Super easy. So always through both sides and connect, and this is called a slip stitch. So here I am now. On the other side or the end of my connecting stitch, we can shorten the thread and pull it out now. So the beginning thread and the end thread we can tie in a knot now. And there we are. I'll turn it to the other side so that you can see what the connecting section looks like as well. I think it looks really great and it'll be just fine when you wear it too. So yeah, the colors on here are really amazing. I think that's probably my favorite part of today's project, but feel free to let me know how you did it, if you changed something or if you did it the same way, how satisfied you are with the results, and especially if you're a beginner, feel free to let me know if it was difficult or rather easy for you. Also, feel free to shoot us a thumbs up to let us know you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more, you can also click on the subscribe button and stay updated with everything we post. So thanks for watching, see you next time, bye!